Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff CarBuoy here. In today's video I'm gonna show you the fuse box location on Toyota Prius, and this one is a hybrid, as you can see. Now Toyota Prius comes with several fuse box location, and I'm gonna show you all of them. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're gonna start with those fuse box location on the engine compartment. So we're gonna pop up the hood. Now inside the engine compartment here we have two fuse box locations, and we'll start with the main one here next to the battery. On the driver side you'll find this first black box cover. You just pop it up, place these two tabs right here, two on the back and one in the front, and you'll see our first fuse panel right here. It comes with the fuses and some relays. And then to check on the back of the cover, this is where you'll find our fuse removing tool right there, and then we'll find the diagram. It shows all the fuses and their functions, their amperage capacity. Now to put the cover back in there, you just place it there. Make sure you line it up properly and place it to lock in place. Now so far, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now this car, inside the engine compartment, there is another small fuse panel that is right here next to the coolant reservoir. You will find this one, and on the top it says relay and fuse. You pop this tab and this tab right here, and it's going to pop up. There is a 110 amp fuse and a couple of relays, as you can see. Now on the back of the cover, let's see what's that 10 amp fuse is for. There we go. It says a meter heater. See right there, it's a meter and heater 10 amp fuse. Okay, put it back there. And now there is one more fuse box to show you that is going to be inside the cab. There we go. All right, inside the cab there is one fuse box location. Let me show you. If you're liking, this video has been helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Inside the cab, on the driver side, way down here, you find the three pedals right here. I'm gonna turn on the lights. So on the foot brake next to it, this is where we're gonna find the fuse box. Let me show you. Yeah, this black cover right here, and as you can see on the bottom of it, you can see, let's pop it out. Here we go. We got two currents of fuses, as you can see, and then on the back there is more couple fuses right there. All right, now let's look at the diagram on the back of the cover. This is a fuse information. See, radio 15 amp, the door or the washer, fuse amperage, and their function on the back of the cover. Now we're gonna line up this cover back there, push it to lock in place. Right here, once you hook it up on the back, it's easy. It's just a matter of pushing to lock in place. Yep, that's there. Those were the 3 fuse box location on the Toyota Prius, and this particular one is a 2018. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. If this video was helpful, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.